waiting for the process. Guadalupe, Mexican province. Kapuyog ko kardinal.
Ladies and gentlemen, those were the Aztec dancers of East Harlem.
Nih, samengan mo ito sa luwa. Yeah, I will.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you everyone. Good afternoon. My name is Alex Byers, and I would like to introduce to you our participants for the Sunnipur Side Youth Year 2011.
Don.
First of all, we'd like to announce participation of our Rocket Columbus,
Yeah.
who have been really
Where's Don?
gracious enough to be part of our festivities this afternoon.
On the bar.
We'd like to
The
welcome
horse fruit on the bar.
Bishop Joseph Sartoris. Thank you for being with us.
Yeah.
Our pastor,
Help your brother take out the fruit.
this year, Father Erasmus Soriano and Ethan. Arturo. Thank you very much. Well, I would like to introduce to you.
Yeah. Tatanggalin lang yung ano yan. Yes. Ako maglalagay.
Standing up, I would like to introduce the school candidates who are with us this afternoon. As I call your name, please pass to the front, make a quick bow, and go to your respective seats. I would like to introduce Andrea Guardado. Andrea, can you please come over? Andrea? Okay. Oh, Andrea, yes. Okay, yes. Thank you.